Hey there, my name is Kira, and I'll be taking you on a tour of Northeastern's Physician Assistant program today. Let's go show you where we spend our time learning to become healthcare professionals. Here we are at Ruggles Station, one of the most convenient MBTA stops in Boston. 3 commuter rail lines, the Orange Line, and multiple bus routes all connect here, making it easy to get to campus from anywhere in the Boston area.
This is Sentinel Commons, a great spot to study outdoors, grab some sunshine, and hang out with our classmates between lectures. And right across from us is Behrakis Health Sciences Center, home to our PA program. This is where we spend most of our time. We have our classrooms, our physical exam lab, our cadaver lab, our simulation lab, everything we need to become exceptional physician assistants.
Welcome to Behrakis 220. This is our main classroom where we spend most of our time as PA students. We have lectures here, usually from 8 to 5 each day, but this room is more than just space to learn. We also spend time here studying together, collaborating on cases, and building the teamwork skills that are essential in healthcare. You'll see students working on EKGs together, reviewing case studies, and supporting each other through rigorous curriculum.
Now let's head up to Behrakis 420, our physical exam lab. This is where we learn the hands-on clinical skills we'll use throughout our careers. Everything from cardiac exams to diagnostic procedures. While we have state-of-the-art practice equipment and mannequins, what's really valuable is practicing on each other. You get to feel what it's actually like to examine a real patient, which prepares you for clinical rotations. We spend extra time here studying together, and sometimes we'll order pizza late at night and practice examination skills before a big exam. Here it's all about collaboration and building a supportive team. It's a great way to bond as a class while mastering essential clinical competencies.
In addition to classroom learning, physical exam practice, and cadaver lab, there's another way we put our skills to the test. We've made it to the foundation of experimental learning, the Arnold Goldstein Simulation Lab. This is where we experience high-stakes clinical situations as if we're really in a clinic or hospital with a patient. You and a classmate work together to assess and treat simulated patients in a real-time scenario. This is where we learn to think on our feet and apply everything we've learned.
Here's Snell Library, which offers countless study spaces, printing centers, computers, and private study rooms. The first and second floors are for group setting, while the third and fourth floors are quiet zones for individual work. Whether you need to collaborate with classmates or find a quiet spot to focus, Snell has exactly what you need.
And here's Curry Student Center, which houses our bookstore, multiple dining options including Starbucks, and plenty of study space. You'll find plenty of food perfect for grabbing lunch between classes or fueling those long study sessions.
Throughout your time in Northeastern's PA program, you're going to grow into a tight-knit family.
You'll rely on each other, lean on each other, and learn how to become exceptional physician assistants.
This campus will become your home, and these classmates will become your colleagues and lifelong friends.
Good luck on your PA journey.